Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a quick hair tutorial where you can get a 2-in-1 look if you like, but this is a super cute and easy quick hairstyle that you can do, and you can dress it up or dress it down. So I started out with using the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all, I absolutely love this product. I got it from, I think TJ Maxx, but I think Marshalls may also sell it. And I just think it does such a great job of keeping my hair moisturized and soft, and it doesn't have like a sticky residue or anything. So highly recommend this TGIN brand. I think it stands for Thank God It's Natural, but yes, highly recommend. As you can see, I'm basically out of it. I really need to go get some more, but yeah, I love this product. And I actually washed my hair with the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner before starting this video. I don't remember specifically which one it is, but it's the orange bottle, so I'll leave it in the description below. But I put that in, and I'm following it up with a TGIN again, the Sweet Honey Hair Milk. This is also another great product by TGIN. It again just moisturizes my hair, takes away the frizz, and I also dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt instead of a towel because that also helps with getting frizz. I am a product junkie. I feel like my hair, it doesn't always need a lot of product, but the ends, because my hair has been dyed, they get a little bit dry, so I do use a lot of products. So I'm going in with the I think it's called Unbrush that I got from the TikTok shop. Y'all, this brush is no joke. I absolutely love this brush. And just making sure you get the product all throughout your hair. I have to kind of bounce the ends up because since my hair was dyed, if I just comb it and leave it, I'll have these little straight strands in my hair, and I hate that. I think it looks so gross. But that's the price of dyeing your hair. So now don't judge me, but I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Beard Conditioning Oil. This is not mine. This is definitely my boyfriend's, and I actually bought it for him as a gift. But it's a 2-for-1 gift, so I love this oil as well. It's really just shea oil and I think macadamia oil, but I just love to use it on my hair. I feel like if you're using it on a beards are very coarse and my hair is very fine, so I just feel like my hair sucks it in, and it's just a great product. I wish they probably actually do have a regular oil that you can use, but I just haven't really looked. But I love using any type of oil on my hair. And now I'm going in with the Got To Be Glued just to go ahead and slick my hair down. I know a lot of people like to use Eco Styler. I do sometimes, but I do feel like it kind of gets a little bit crusty, whereas Got To Be Glued seems to last all day. So I just like to rub it on my hands and on my fingers and ignore that little clump of hair. My hair comes out all the time, but I like to just rub it at the roots because that's where my hair gets the frizziest. Ignore my glasses. And then just brush it through with a bristle comb just to slick everything down. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is start twisting from the root. So I like to get little small pieces and just twist away from your face. It's not going to be, I don't do mine super tight, but you'll just grab a little bit of hair as you keep going down. Grab a little, twist away, grab a little bit, twist away, and then you'll begin to keep picking up hair. So as you move down, you'll pick up more smaller pieces and then just twist it into your hair. I like to stop behind my ear, like at the base of my neck. I will recommend making sure that you kind of pull your baby hairs out. I have baby hairs around my perimeter and at the top or front of my head, and I did not take the baby hairs out before doing this, so it kind of snatches everything up, and at the base of your neck it will start to hurt if you do it a little bit too tightly. So I just recommend knowing that before you do this and then just leaving them out. But then I go through with a hair tie and just closing this off, and then do a little pull at the end to tighten everything up, keep everything together, because as you could see I had like a little bit of a loose hair towards the back, and getting some more Got To Be to go onto the other side. Now you can use any type of finishing move, any type of, oh my gosh, what is the word, like scrunchie or little plastic bands to tie this look off. I'm just using the bigger elastics because I have a lot of hair since it's getting longer. But anything will really do. And then we're just twisting again on the other side. So just twist and grab a little bit, twist and grab a little bit. You can also comb your hair better than I did if you'd like, just to make sure that you're getting all the curls together, because sometimes you'll have you know how it is if you have curly hair, you'll have a little curl that tries to escape or gets on top of the other one, and it creates like a little loop. And if you're looking for something that's more precise, you might want to comb it out better than I did. I was just going for something cute and quick. I wasn't really too pressed on it. But we are almost done. And this look will usually last me a couple days, especially if I sleep with a do-rag on my head or some type of silk pillowcase. Then I'm usually good to go for I'd say about 3 days. Sometimes what I'll also do is braid the ends at night, so it gives it like a cute kind of crimped look when I take the braids out. But now I'm going to go ahead and get the ends. Like I said, my ends, just kidding, we're going straight into baby hairs. This is where I messed up because I did not take out my baby hairs beforehand, and as you can see, I'm kind of like, dang, where are my baby hairs? So trying to get those out. But y'all, I really don't do my baby hairs that often because my baby hairs are kind of long. My baby hairs definitely give baby bangs, and I'm not really good at the swoop, as you can see. I'm over there stressed, but you can't really tell, but I'm like, what am I doing? And I would recommend using edge control. I didn't feel like digging through my basket to try and find it, so I'm just like, okay, we'll just go with Got to Be Glued. But Got to Be Glued sometimes if you use too much of it on your edges, it's going to get a little crusty. But it's going to stay, that's for sure. But I'm just slicking this down. I feel like I'm not good at baby hairs because I don't have an older sister. I feel like if I would have had an older sister, she would have taught me how to do the swoop. And also having a white mom, sis did not know how to do anything. So, I mean, she knows how to do stuff, but with hair, it used to be a struggle doing my hair when I was in high school. But just go ahead and lay those down. Ignore my nail missing. But y'all, these nails were actually really, really good. I got them from Walmart. They're the Impress stick-on nails. So they're just stickers that they're not stickers, but you know what I mean. They're like the nail glue stick-ons. And these have been the best stick-on nails that I've ever used. They've stayed on so long. The one that's off my finger, I actually peeled that one off. That's how good they are. And as you can see right here, I do not like what I did with my baby hairs. I'm about to switch it up because I'm like, why is it going that way? And it should be going, no. So we're going to go back through and fix that real quick. Yeah, so just go ahead and fix it on. I mean, y'all can do whatever you want with your baby hairs. But me, I'm over here struggling, trying to figure out if I want all of my little bangs on one side or the other. And also my lashes are Kiss, I can't remember what they're called. I'll add it in the description too, but they're just the little individual lashes that I put on. I'll use strips sometimes, but strips don't ever last as long as the individuals. You can get a good 2 to 3 days wear out of the individuals, whereas strips, they're coming off that same night. So now, never mind, still working on my baby hairs. As you can see, this is a full-time job for me. But isn't that brush so cute? I just got it from the beauty supply store. It's only $1. And tightening up the twist. And I'm going to go through and try to fluff up my hair a little bit more. Whenever I come out the shower, my hair is always because my hair is getting long, my curls look more wavy. And I kind of like for them to look more defined, but I also want them to be volumized. So I usually just use a comb and tease it up. I couldn't even find my comb though, so I was kind of using a rat tail comb. And don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. But yeah, just add some to your ends, and that is it. This is the first look. Like I said, you can't get 2 looks out of it, and all you got to do if you want something also cute is just go ahead and roll your hair up on the sides into 2 little mini buns. And there you are. 2-in-1 mini braids and twist hairstyle. So thanks y'all for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I will be back with more tutorials and vlogs.